यूरोपियन पार्लियामेंट के मई में होने वाले इलेक्शन के लिए आयरलैंड से उम्मीदवार बैरी एंड्रयूज का कहना है कि वो ये सीट जीतने के लिए पुरुमीद है और उनकी पार्टी आयरलैंड में लोकल इलेक्शन में पाकिस्तानियों को सियासी मैदान में लाने में कामयाब होगी। इस वक्त हमारे नुमाइंदे फैसल मिर्जा उनके साथ मौजूद है। इलेक्शन के हवाले से उनका मजीद क्या कहना है, उन्हीं से जानते हैं। जी फैसल, कहिएगा।
जी, इस वक्त हम मौजूद हैं डबलिन में बैरी एंड्रयूज के साथ, जो कि यूरोपियन यूनियन के इलेक्शन के लिए फिना फॉल की जानिब से इलेक्शन लड़ रहे हैं। इनसे पूछेंगे कि इस वक्त यूरोपियन यूनियन की क्या सिचुएशन है और ब्रेक्जिट किस तरफ लेके जा रहा है। Barry, welcome to 92 News. Would you please tell us something about Brexit?
Yes, well, we're here in Dublin, the national capital of Ireland, and as a lot of people know, Ireland has been affected by Brexit much more than any other country in the European Union. So we have a very close trading relationship with the UK that has built up over many centuries. But with Britain leaving the European Union, that leaves Ireland very much exposed. There is now a considerable threat of tariffs in terms of the economic impact. There's a considerable threat of violence returning to the island of Ireland in terms of security. And the relationships between Ireland and Britain have taken a step backwards as a result of Brexit. So the British will make their own decision about their future, and we respect that. But it is important that they recognise the impact that's having on Ireland today.
Barry, you're running for MEP. What is the situation in European Union and what are your chances of your party?
Well, the European Union, the further away you get from Britain and Ireland, the less they are interested in Brexit. They are confronting much bigger issues, as they see it, around migration, around trade, and particularly climate change. And that's one of the reasons I'm running, because I'm very anxious to make an impact in terms of the relationship with Britain, but also in being part of those debates that are happening about the future of Europe and Europe's place in the world in addressing those issues.
Barry, two Pakistanis, first time ever. They're running from Fianna Fáil this time. What are their chances from Ireland?
We're really lucky to have two candidates in the local elections taking place on the same day as the European elections, Imran Khurshid and Amar Ali, and we are really hopeful that they will get elected. We have a really good opportunity here to make sure that the political representation of the new communities in Ireland matches the diverse population that we have. Lots of people have chosen Dublin as their home, and it's important that they have political representation as well.
Thank you so much, Barry.
My great pleasure.
जी, आप देख सकते हैं कि बैरी का कहना है कि एक तरफ तो आयरलैंड जो है इफेक्ट है ब्रेक्जिट की वजह से, लेकिन दूसरी तरफ जिस तरह से आयरलैंड ने मौका दिया है पाकिस्तानी कैंडिडेट्स को कि यहाँ से इलेक्शन लड़े और इस सियासी जो मंजरनामा है इसका हिस्सा बने। देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से पाकिस्तानी इस सारे सियासी सफर के अंदर शामिल होते हैं। फैसल मिर्जा, 92 न्यूज़, डबलिन, आयरलैंड।